don't know if it's up in the fan thing or if it's like right in here.
Do you see something?
No. Here. What is it? I hate being the man.
The man with my grill tool.
Please be just a tiny little cockroach.
What? No.
Whatever, it's better than a rat or a mouse.
No.
What was that? My knees hurt so bad.
I don't know what it is, but it fell behind the
My heart never jumped so much.
Oh. It fell behind the stove.
Oh my god. I got my knees so hard. I think it was a cockroach.
I hope it was a big one and not a little one.
Yeah, it's not a German. It was definitely a big one. It was big and black.
Good. So it'll probably fly out of there.
Right,
Land on your head.
Ooh, if it's a palmetto bug. Oh, there was one at work today.
I'd rather it be that, because those aren't, you know, bad like that.
Tyrone, where you at? Tyrone Bagels.
It fell back behind that corner if you want to go look.
Hell no.
Honey, you're supposed to be the man.
That thing fell right where my head was, too.
I know.
If that would fell on me, ooh, imagine. I probably would have shit myself.
Don't use the S word. This could be on video. This
on
is
video.
good footage here.